You put them in a pool like me, then you chop it. Like mosquito follow me, so me clap it. Why more than a people?
Hold on.
Reaction.
What's the word, YouTube? It's your boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. Back in effect with another video for you guys. People heard that song from Highlight. Saint Kitts, what's going on? Y'all been recommending the songs. I love it. I love seeing it. Recommend some more songs for me to react to. You feel me? Comment on this video to see your comment right there next video that I post. Posting every single day. Subscribe to the channel, people. Subscribe. We're gonna hit 20k eventually. I was trying to hit 20k subscribers before the end of October, which is like in 4 days. You feel me? And right now we're shy. We need that 900 more subscribers, yo. John, what eat that's another dog. But anything, yeah, I'm done. The video can be seen by 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people. And like all of you guys watching this video right now, subscribe to the channel, don't it? So if you watch this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. Like the video so the video recommends to more people so they can also subscribe to the channel so we can make that goal of 20k subscribers, right? Right? Reaction boss, right? We have the thing right. We have the merchandise. We have the quality. We have the setup. Let's get straight to the video, yeah, man. Highlight! Dutty ways, make us see what I go on. Saying kids, big up yourself as usual. Run tune! Freestyle for me, Jesus, AK for me, Jesus. Anyways, freestyle video. First and foremost, me rate you already now, highlight. You know why? You have a girl in that video already. You have a shawty with you. Me love the girls them, you know. Represent for the girls them. When me see the girls them, I'm happy and artistic them.
Yeah.
What am I saying now?
Read loud like radio. Yeah, with the goons, them a cool like free coming just touch a stage show.
Yeah?
Don't span guard, them a bang with the chain come the market skill.
Well, I'm gonna catch every single line him saying of it song. Sorry, Mina, sorry. What I'm saying now? What I'm saying?
Yeah. Read loud like radio.
Read loud like radio.
Yeah, with the goons, them a cool like free coming just touch a stage show.
Alright then.
Don't span guard, them a bang with the chain come the market skill.
Vroom.
Inna the tank and the tire them ear.
You hear that gas in the tank and the ear. No flat tire and they never gas. No flat tire, they never gas and the guess what? What I'm saying?
Jigga man a play like piano. Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun. I saw me live. Me ex-girlfriend a tell me say me change. Me a see out in the TV.
Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun, that's how we live. Why I'm saying?
Smoke weed. Jigga man a play like piano.
How what we do? Fuck y'all,
smoke weed, bust gun. I saw me live.
Walla, what I'm saying now? Fuck. What?
Inna the tank and the tire them ear.
What? Oh!
Jigga man a play like piano.
Walla, they think of that. People, what you think of? Oh Lord, man, if you like the video. Oh yeah, you enjoy the video, you don't like the video. Stop with me, I like the video. You can't enjoy the video, you don't like the video. Like the video. People, the reaction boss, if you like the video. Like your video now, man, and stop playing with me. Bomba clot deal. I'm saying now. Fuck yeah, that is it. That is it. That is it. Let me change. Same way. Oh, it's song called Dutty Ways. Go on.
Fuck y'all,
Smoke weed. Fuck y'all.
Later shot a ring like when I wedding a keep. Me have a couple dance when you say fully equipped.
Hold on, violator, you think of hold on.
Smoke weed.
Hold on.
Come
on now.
Regular thing.
Yeah.
Later shot a ring like when I wedding a keep.
Violator shot a ring like I wouldn't keep. Wedding bells to blood. Fuck girl, boss gone, Smoke weed, that's how we live. Rascal.
Have a couple dance when you say fully crip. And then I set a dance when say fully my clip. No time and me.
Got a dance when say fully crip, and then I set a dance when say fully my clip. Me bugla, wala.
When you say fully
Clip. And then I set a dance when say fully my clip.
Time stand and me gonna automatic. Mathematics is a whole lot of licks. This will be a match with a packet racket. Who don't get a casket and get a 2 bag of chips. When you put them in a pool like me then you chop it. Basket a follow me so me clap it. Why more than a people?
Wala there. My Jesus. Too much mosquito. People. In bad. I'm bad in bad. I wipe name. Go check out the song right now if you know the artist, man. Go check out the song right now. Go check out the artist right now if you don't know about the highlight. If you don't know about highlight, go check him out right now. I don't know a chopping of viewers and subscribers. I may set the trend over here, son. Go on!
No magics. How them a say they bad and they afraid practice.
What we do?
Na face got me a kiss. Do a look chance go play Monopoly. Let's go out and do one on me cup party. In a waist me no got no pocket.
What we do? Fuck y'all, smoke weed, bust gun.
I saw me behave. The ex-girlfriend I tell me say me change. Me a silly same
boys and dirty ways.
They up on me ends I try and behave.
Well, that's it. For them is I try and behave. I know more if you right now. More if you like your video right now. I that more want you do right now. Cause the reaction boss are going on another gear. Yo, like your video and stop. Reaction boss are going on another gear. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah, the mad. Reaction boss in another gear, you know, we in a different universe, you know. You don't know it chop, you know. We lucky now, you know. That's clot. Highlight, how do?
Bus gone, I saw me leave. The ex-girlfriend I tell me change. Me a silly same he was
same dirty ways.
They up on me ends I
try to behave.
Say something again and I rifle wave.
What?
Fuck y'all,
smoke weed.
Bus gone, I
saw we leave.
Fuck y'all, smoke weed. Bus gone, I saw me leave. The ex-girlfriend I tell me say me change. Me a silly same he was
same dirty ways.
They up on me ends I try to behave. Say something again and I rifle wave.
Say something. I did. Say fair. Say fair. I'm boxing in your face. Say fair. I'm a boxing in your blood clot face. Go on. Smoke weed. So live. Kawa. Sugar that got play like piano. Reaction boss is even a bad video and ramp for the chop. Don't know a chop, I mean I do them way just like a video right now, no, man. Big up a girl them as usual. I don't know a chop with them. Highlight, go and do your thing with general resume and say. But kinda people go follow them on Instagram. You see me I say, more to the same listen when them drop on Instagram because I see that something kinda late. They don't know a chop already. Subscribe to the channel, people. We still go for 20k right now. We are do it. Deal with it. I'll be real time, okay? Big up Rebel 6. Long live the general, I don't know a chop. Anyways, Reaction Boss signing out. Peace.